out to Meydan in Dubai. It's the 2013 Dubai World Cup.
They're racing in the Dubai World Cup, and Plan 2 was slow to move. Capone and Red Cadeau not showing a great deal of pace after the start. Royal Delta is and went to the lead with Hunter's Light second. Side Glance third, Treasure Beach fourth, and An African Story. Animal Kingdom out wide. Dullahan closer to the fence, going forward on the inside of Meandre. Red Cadeau's on the rail. A length and a half to Plan 2. Capone is second last. And Casiano had immediately dropped out to the tail of the field as Royal Delta takes them to the back of the track past the 1,500 metres mark. First quarter, a leisurely 26.5. Royal Delta leading by 3 parts of a length. Animal Kingdom went up to be second. A length and a half away was Hunter's Light third on the inside of Side Glance. Another 2 lengths Meandre on the outside of Treasure Beach. A length to Dullahan, ahead to Red Cadeau on the rail. A length to Plan 2, a length to African Story. Capone second last and Casiano. A length and a half back is the best part of 13 lengths from the lead as they cast the 1,000 metres mark astern with 800 run in 50 flat. Royal Delta taking them to the back bend and the 800 metres mark with a break of a neat length over Animal Kingdom. A length and a half away, Hunter's Light on the fence on the inside of Side Glance. 2 lengths Meandre being ridden along, then Treasure Beach. Dullahan's out 3 deep, Plan 2 in the middle. Red Cadeau on the rail, then Casiano, followed by African Story, and Capone had dropped out to be last with 4:50 to run. Coming around the turn, Royal Delta surrendered to Animal Kingdom, who darted a length and a half in front of Side Glance. Hunter's Light into the clear. Plan 2 on the outside, and An African Story, the Derby winner. Animal Kingdom in front with 200 metres left to go. Red Cadeau on the inside starting to flash home. Will he have time? Animal Kingdom leads. Animal Kingdom 3 lengths in front of Red Cadeau, and Animal Kingdom wins the Dubai World Cup in a US-Australia combination. Animal Kingdom has beaten Red Cadeau. Third tight between Plan 2, Side Glance, African Story on the outside. Then Meandre, Treasure Beach, Hunter's Light, Casiano, Royal Delta, Dullahan, and Capone will walk across the line, last of all, in the Dubai World Cup of 2013.
Kentucky Derby winner Animal Kingdom is now a Dubai World Cup winner.
Yeah, and an impressive winner. And boy, did he show that explosive turn of foot. This was an easy win for Animal Kingdom. Hadn't won a race since February 18th of 2012. And Simon highlighting the trip, and Joel Rosario criticized for having him forwardly placed in the Gulfstream Park Turf Handicap on the 9th of February. Had him fairly close in this race. And when Royal Delta kind of stopped in this race, Animal Kingdom forges his way to the lead.
Yeah, I think he knew that was the horse to beat. From that outside post, Animal Kingdom was hung fairly wide into the first turn. He had about a 4 or 5 wide trip into that the first turn, but once he came out of the bend down the backside, he was latched onto Royal Delta. She gave way immediately. She turned for home, and this was an explosive turn of foot. Out of the clouds comes Red Cadeau at a big price. That's the horse Stephen Keneally liked at a price.
55
to 1, absolutely rolling down the rail there. But look at that poetry in motion. Here's Red Cadeau, the 2, but Animal Kingdom on to Royal Ascot now for trainer Graham Motion, Team Valor, and the Arrowfield stud. With that partnership of Arrowfield based in Australia, this win actually goes down in the record books as an Australian victory, but I think we'll take the credit here as a US